This two-story floor plan features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 2 living areas, along with a full-depth third-stall garage and over 1,830 square feet of living space. The main living room boasts an open-concept design, creating a spacious and inviting atmosphere. Upon entering from the garage, you'll find a convenient mudroom and a half bath. The kitchen is equipped with quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, a corner pantry, stainless steel appliances, a stylish backsplash, and an island that offers additional seating. The expansive living room provides ample room for relaxation. Upstairs, you'll be welcomed by a cozy loft area. The laundry room is conveniently located on the second floor, close to all the bedrooms. The 2 guest bedrooms are generously sized and share a full bathroom. The master bedroom is impressively spacious, complete with a cozy nook. The master bathroom features dual sinks, a 5-foot fiberglass walk-in shower, a linen closet, and direct access to the walk-in master closet. The garage features a 3rd tandem stall, hot and cold water supply, a gas heater, and vertical windows in the garage door. Take pleasure in the extended front porch and the 12 by 12 concrete patio in the backyard.